Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure GTM server container with Cloudflare Workers step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Google Tag Manager dashboard. Select the container where you want to create a server-side setup. Click on Admin in the left sidebar. Under the Container section, choose Container Settings. Change the container type to Server. Copy the generated URL for your server container, as you'll need it later. Now, log into your Cloudflare account. Select the domain where you want to implement the server container. Navigate to the Workers section in your Cloudflare dashboard. Click on Create a Worker. In the Worker editor, delete any default code provided. Paste the following code snippet for the GTM server container. Make sure to replace your _GTM_ URL with the URL you copied earlier. Next, configure your Cloudflare route to point to the worker. In the Triggers section, set the route to your desired path. Click Save and Deploy to activate your worker. Now, return to your Google Tag Manager and navigate to your server container. In the container, set up the necessary tags for tracking. Ensure that you're using the correct parameters for your data collection. Publish your changes in GTM. Test your implementation by using the preview mode in GTM. Go to your website and check if the data is being sent to the server container. Monitor the Cloudflare dashboard to verify the worker is functioning correctly. Adjust your Cloudflare settings as needed for better performance and security. You have successfully configured your GTM server container with Cloudflare Workers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.